And right here, I found myself again. In the light I was missing then. Every piece that I let go brought me back to who I know. Right here, I found myself again. Took a walk with nowhere to go. Let the silence take control. All the weight I used to hold felt so small out in the open. And for the first time I felt alright. Right here, I found myself again. And the light I was missing then. Every piece that I let go brought me back to who I.
Nag-viral nga sa TikTok yung mga yan eh, donation pero nanghingi. Di naman sila yung naglilinis dyan, yung mga nagtatrabaho sa barangay.
Oh, donation!
Wow. Matinda pa nila sa tindahan yan, mahal.
Ayan pa na selling nila. Maganda naman pala, pero maganda lang talaga. Baka sila yung naglilinis na.
Check natin yung Kapitana kung bukas.
Choco. Choco baag.
Suko Baag. Ayun no, Kapitana straight away. Sabi kasi nila weekends lang bukas yun.
Bagay, malulugi kung ano, konti yung tao, tapos mag-o-open sila.
Ayan no, Kapitana. Bukas kaya?
Alin?
Ayun na.
Farm campsite.
Ah, open siya.
Open?